rates are on everybody's minds. Rates, 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 rates. And I will tell you, and we're going to include this link in this replay. If you're looking to get just kind of a synopsis of the market, there is only one place that I trust. And frankly, it's the only website on the internet that will show you rates, because it's a website that sells loan officers a product, and it's called Mortgage News Daily. They are the only website that will show you rates without trying to act as a funnel to buy consumer data or gets consumers to fill things out or lie to consumers about having these rock bottom low interest rates in order to attract leads and then sell those leads. So mortgagenewsdaily.com. And at the top of the banner, you just go to where it says mortgage rates. It's the middle tab in the top banner, and it will give you the most accurate kind of current mortgage rate synopsis of what's going on in the mortgage place. And we'll share this real quick. If you just go to, let's share my screen here. If you just go to Mortgage News Daily home and then go to mortgage rates, go to today's mortgage rates, this will give you a pretty great synopsis depending on your scenario. Are you looking for a 30-year fixed? Are you looking for a jumbo? Are you looking for an FHA or a VA loan? This will give you more or less where the rates are and what the trend line is. Is the trend line like moving positive, negative, or kind of minimal, right? And then it'll give you some articles here. But if you, as a realtor, or if you're looking to send your client somewhere where they're not going to end up applying with 10 different lenders and ruining their credit, or they're not going to have a misrepresentation of the market because these lead aggregation sites are just a way to advertise some rock bottom rate for a client and a scenario that doesn't exist in our marketplace. Remember, Mortgage News Daily sells a product to lenders. So they're not trying to lie about the interest rates by selling something to consumers. So first, when people are talking about rates, or you want to do a quick rate check, or you just kind of want to see a trend line of where the market is, go to mortgagenewsdaily.com /mortgage-rates, or just click the middle banner where it says mortgage rates and then look at today's current rate. So that's a resource that I would bookmark. I would save the website on your phone. I would feel comfortable sending that out to clients. Like when I want to check for my own company, or like, oh, are we a little bit above or below par on where we're pricing, right? Because sometimes certain companies will lag a little bit on updating their pricing, or they'll be kind of ahead of the market. I myself go to Mortgage News Daily once or twice a week to just say like, oh yeah, everything's in range. Oh, we're kind of beating the market here. We're kind of beating the competition on where our jumbo loans are priced. Oh, our FHA loans are maybe an eighth higher. I got to talk to our secondary market to figure out what's going on there. So Mortgage News Daily, great piece of like, I don't know, just mindset, peace of mind, a resource that you can use where you can really see what the rates are doing. So that's number one, right? That helps take the emotion out of, well, I saw on bankrate.com or NerdWallet or Google Rates. All these places are just lead aggregators to tell consumers that somewhere magically there's a lower rate for a scenario they don't qualify for. And this is kind of just peace of mind and can help lower the emotional stress of like, oh, well, I saw this rate here. I saw this advertisement there. It's like, well, it's an advertisement. And somehow, because clients probably buy, I don't know, a half dozen, a dozen, 2 dozen cars in their life, they know, like consumers know when they see a commercial advertising a new Lexus at $299 a month, they know that that's a lease and there's only one car in the entire country priced at that, and that they've got to bring in $15,000 up front to sign the lease. Like consumers know kind of when they're getting lied to or ripped off in the car world, in the buying an automobile world. They don't get it in the mortgage world. For some reason, they see like the lowest advertised rate on one of these aggregate sites that is just trying to aggregate leads, and that becomes the gospel to them. So resetting that emotional frame and resetting that expectation of where rates really are, Mortgage News Daily /mortgage-rates. And however you're watching this video, we will have a link to that website.